perfectly golden brown. You don't need to do any dishes because you're gonna be eating the bowl itself. It's just so gorgeous. So you've probably seen Parmesan crisps somewhere in the grocery store, but I guarantee you haven't seen Parmesan crisp salad bowls in your grocery store. Yes, you heard me correctly. Today we're going to be making Parmesan crisps, but we're going to be forming them into a little bowl, and it is so perfect to put any type of greens in there to make a beautiful salad. Stuff it full with all different types of greens, and then all you need to do, you don't need to do any dishes because you're gonna be eating the bowl itself. How cool is that? So impressive for house guests. And it only takes about 10 minutes to make. I kid you not. So what you need here, this is the setup, how easy. So I have some Parmigiano Reggiano here. You can also use just regular Parmesan cheese, nice and grated. And then I have an omelet pan here. So it's an 8-inch omelet pan. You can also use a 10-inch, which is slightly bigger, but you do want it to be non-stick, just like that. And then you need a plate and a water glass that has a pretty wide brim. So let's go over to the stove and get started. So I have my setup all ready to go. I have my plate here. I have my water glass with the wide brim or the wide base, and I'm placing it upside down because this is going to be our mold for our bowl. And I have my skillet. The heat is not on, so you don't burn yourself. And you're just gonna take all of your cheese and you're just going to pat it down in a single even layer. It's about 1/3 of a cup. So we have our even layer, and I'm gonna go ahead and figure out which burner to turn on here. Too many buttons. I'm gonna turn this on medium-high heat and let it go for about 5 to 8 minutes or so until the cheese is really nice and golden brown. You'll see what I'm talking about. Perfectly golden brown. It's time to take it off the stove here, and I'm going to slide this onto my water glass. Make sure that water glass is heat proof. Just like this. And you have a quick second, a hot second, to kind of make sure that it's the shape that you want before it hardens. You're gonna have about 3 minutes or so until it's completely hardened. Aren't they just so fun and so beautiful? They look like a piece of art. Isn't it amazing? It's just so gorgeous, and they are like amazingly delicious, trust me. I did want to say too, if you use a smaller glass like this, you're going to get a taller little bowl as opposed to a wide one. And if you didn't even want to do the bowls and you just wanted to do the crisp, you just lay them out flat. So I'm going to show you what I mean by salad in the cup here. Look at this. They fit so perfectly. Ooh, 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 ooh. But honestly, do I even want to try the salad? I'm going right for the cup. So much better than the store-bought ones. They're crunchier. You can use better quality cheese. And it's just so cool that you can make them into your own little salad bowls. Check this out on tastefullygrace.com. You won't regret it. Passing time.